So here we are looking at conversion, and here we're going to convert liters and square meters. Conversion is one of the most useful things in maths that we can use every day. Let's see. Maciej is spreading fertilizer on the whole golf course. The packet of fertilizer has this instruction. Use 6 liters of fertilizer per 250 meters square of ground to be covered. Okay. Maciej need to cover a big number, 809,371 big area of meters square with fertilizer. Therefore, how many liters of fertilizer will Maciej need to use? Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. So this type of question, yes, they can be solved in a lot of different ways. However, I like to teach that. I like to do it with conversion because it's applicable in so many areas. So on one side, we need to have one measurement, and on the other side, the second measurement. Now, it doesn't matter which way you want to go. So in this case, we are told that 6 liters will cover 250 meters square. And the question is, well, how many liters, therefore we don't know X, will cover 809,371 square meters. The main idea about the conversion that I have to compare like with like. So what do we do here? We cross multiply. So 6 multiply by our big number of 809,372, and that equal X multiply by 250. Now again, it doesn't matter which way you go. You could start with X by 250 or 800 by 6. Doesn't absolutely matter as long as we multiply across. Now, what do we do next? We want to find the value of X, not X multiplied by a number. Therefore, to eliminate multiplication, it's always the same by dividing and dividing both sides of the equation, because 250 divided by 250 is 1 and 1 multiplied by X is X. And then we put that in our calculator, we press equal, and remember to the nearest whole number, that will give me 19,425 liters. Like I'm saying, conversion is extremely handy in actually everyday life.